we will come to know about that is World Bank report and the UNDP report. According to World Bank report, the government is giving, World Bank is taking per capita income and annual income as their notions of categorization of the countries. UNDP report is giving the report on the basis of that income plus health and education of the people of the country. So according to the World Bank report and UNDP report, both report categorize the countries into three, that is low income group, middle income group and the lower income group. Another notions of development is also there, that is one of the most notion is just now I discussed per capita income and the annual income. What is per capita income? That is average income. How the average income we will find out? That is total income of the country divided by the total population. That is the average income or per capita income. Now, income that is considered, that is whenever we are calculating the income of the country, we are focusing on GDP and GNP. GDP is gross domestic product, means the total monetary value of the total production of all the three sectors and services. Okay, so that is the GDP. Now we are coming to the GNP. GNP, that gross national product. That is, what is that gross national income? We are coming to this, the GDP plus the income of the people who are living in abroad, that is the foreign income. And now the national income, we will calculate GDP plus GNP. Okay, so in this way we are categorizing the country. Now the national development, the notion or the ultimate that is criteria of the national development varies. So the notions of development vary person to person, country to country and area to area. If we'll take the example of Bhutan, then we will see that the greeneries or greeneriness is the notion. And if we'll take the USA, then the economic development, industrial development is the notion. Maybe for a person, the notion of development is to earn more money, to have a bigger house and a luxurious car. Or a person's development can be just to have their proper meal, means that twice a day they can have their proper meal. So that can be also few people's notion of development. So easily we can say the notion of development varies person to person, area wise and the country wise. Then whenever we will consider that World Bank report, then we will see that the more than or equal to 12,236 US dollar per year, if a country is earning, then that country is considered as a rich country. In Indian currency, if we'll consider, then 4,53,000, more than this rupees or equal to 4,53,000 rupees, if a country is earning, then it is considered as rich country. If a country is earning less than 1,005 US dollar or in Indian currency 37,000 rupees per annum per year, then this country is considered as the low income group countries. So I told that less than 1,005 US dollar or 37,000 rupees, less than this or equal to, if a country is earning, they are considered as low income country. Accordingly, if we see this data and accept this data, then we will take this our country according to 2004 report. Our country was coming under that low income country because our country's income was 1,840 US dollar in 2004, and in Indian currency it was 28,000 per year. So if we take the Indian currency, then we will see that India is coming under that low income country, that is 28,000 per year, and less than 37,000 per year which country is earning, they are considered as low income group country. But if we will take that that is the 1,840 US dollar, if we'll consider that, then it will be coming under that low middle income country, because less than 1,005 US dollar per annum if a country is earning, then they are considered as low income group countries. And now we will just come to know about the track record of Indian development. In 1950 to 51, it was 255 rupees per year. In 2000, 16,500 rupees per person per year. And in 2004 already we told, that is 28,000 per person per year. Okay. I already told you that total income supposed to be considered as GDP plus GNP. Another two notion we will just come to know, that the people, each people's developmental goal supposed to be different. Already I discussed you about the thing. But all persons' developmental goal, if that is there is different developmental goal, then it will not shatter the development of others. But if the developmental goal will be same, then one person's development will hamper the development of others. Thank you.